Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the graphics quality in Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From here, navigate to the video tab. Here, under quality, should be the option to change the quality preset. This is the fastest and easiest way to change the graphics quality. Simply choose either high, medium, low or custom. I will stick maybe with medium. Yeah, medium is good. But for example, I could also change the following options. For example, I may want to have SSAO on high and disable the reflections. Either way, customize the quality however you wish, and after that hit accept to save the changes, and next you can close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, comment and like the video.